welcome back to the deep dive. Something I find really fascinating is this intersection. How the super modern world of stock investing gets shaped by religious principles from centuries ago.
It really does. It almost sounds like a contradiction, doesn't it? But it's actually a very deep link.
How deep are we talking?
Oh, it goes right to the core of Islamic finance. And that's exactly what we're diving into today, how stocks get screened very carefully for Shariah compliance.
Okay.
It's more than just rules, though. It's this whole journey, really, from ancient partnership ideas right into today's complex capital markets.
And for this journey, we're looking at a specific academic source, right?
Yes, exactly. Our main guide is a research article called A Study on the Differentiation of Shariah Screening Criteria for Stocks. It's by Badaham Bouzra Akartepe, and it was published in the academic platform Journal of Islamic Research, APJIR, back in 2022.
Got it. So what's our mission for this deep dive? What should you, our listener, expect to understand by the end?
Well, our goal is to really unpack that whole story. How Islamic finance even got involved with capital markets, this key two-step screening process for stocks.
And critically, why there isn't just one set of rules.
Precisely. Why the differences. You'll get the core methods behind these decisions and, what it actually means when you're looking at investing in Shariah-compliant assets.
Okay, let's start at the beginning then. Back to basics. How did Islamic law originally look at financial deals? And how do stocks fit in?
So the foundation really is partnership. That's a fundamental type of contract in Islamic law.
Right.
And stocks in Islamic finance are seen as, well, maybe the most important financial tool based on that partnership idea because investors become part owners, you see. Yeah. They share in the profits, but also the losses.
That makes sense conceptually. Partnership equals shared ownership, shared risk. But if it fits so well, why was there pushback initially? Like a reluctance to actually invest in stocks? Yeah. What was the hang-up?
Yes, that's where it gets really interesting because even with that basic link, it wasn't always a green light. Early on in modern Islamic finance history, people had real concerns.
Like what?
Well, some stock market stuff looked a bit too much like gambling to some scholars. Then there was the feeling that with these big corporations, there wasn't enough direct Shariah oversight.
Okay.
And a big one, limited liability. The idea that you, as an investor, are only responsible for the money you put in, not all the company's debts.
Yeah.
That didn't quite mesh with the traditional Islamic partnership structures, where risk and reward were often, more directly tied together.
So that was a genuine sticking point for a while. How did they get past that? Was there a specific turning point?
Absolutely. In 1992, that was the year. The International Islamic Fiqh Academy made a really crucial decision.
What did they decide?